Okay, this is a really common occurrence for a baby lock or brother machine. I see this all the time. And this is when the bobbin case is locked in place under the plate. It doesn't move back and forth, and the thread just gets caught up around the bobbin case and you can't sew. Very, very common, and it's caused by putting the parts together in the wrong order. Okay, so when you take all this stuff apart, and put it back together, you want to make sure that that little bump on the bobbin case right there is up against that flat spring. You can see there's a big gap there. It should be right up against it. See? With a little bit of play back and forth, just like that. Those two things should meet. The reason why it was way over here is that this plate was locked down on top of the bobbin case, and the bobbin case couldn't move. What causes that is people, when they're putting this area back together after cleaning, they think they need to put the deepest thing first and work their way out, because that's a very intuitive way of thinking. It's not intuitive, though, this process. Okay? When you're putting this area back together, you want to put the metal needle plate in first, lock it down with both of the needle plate screws tightly first, then come in and put your bobbin case in. Now you can see there's an arrow on the bobbin case and a little white dot. You can line those things up, they're helpers, but really what you're trying to do is you're trying to get that bump on the bobbin case to line up with that flat spring, because it's going to move back and forth and that thread is going to pass between there. It's got to have a little wiggle. This plate will be locked down. Okay, so that's the important thing, is this plate goes first, lock it down with both screws, then put the bobbin case in. If you do it the other way around, while you're tightening this plate, this bobbin case will start to shift, and it'll be in the wrong place. And it could damage the bobbin case, it could damage the plate, it could cause the machine to need adjustments afterwards. So just remember, plate first, bobbin case second, and then your slide plate and everything else. But the order of these two is incredibly important. Okay, and that's the same on so many brother and baby lock machines. They have this exact same setup. Hopefully that helps. And if you have any comments or suggestions, questions about this process, leave them in the comment section below. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel. There's more on the way. If you have any suggestions on things that you want me to cover, or you have questions about specific machines or general processes or something you want to see me cover, just leave that in the comment section, and see you next time.